Magandang araw. Sa bagong lahat, flex ko lang tong Jano Silang shirt ko. Username Juno_SO6 login. Sa Jano Silang. Sa anak na tapon. Okay. So another day, another book haul video. So another book haul from Pixie. Yan, Pixie Book House. So lalagay ko ang kanyang TikTok shop. Saka Sokmed ulit. Kung di kayo maselan, kung okay lang sa inyo second hand books, syempre hindi 100% good condition, may konting damages, konting what, pero as always, second hand books equals cheaper price tag, so syempre kagagatin natin. Tapos may kasama pang letter tong si Pixie, tapos may kasama pang freebie na pang annotate. Okay, tapos ito yung aking book haul. Asia's Cauldron, The South China Sea and the End of a Stable Pacific by Robert Kaplan. Taylor Jenkins Reid, After I Do. Forever Interrupted, Taylor Jenkins Reid. Zoraida Cordova, Inheritance of Orchidea Divina. And ito talagang pinaka, isa lang dapat check out ko pero naging 5. 0 to 1. Notes on Startups or How to Build the Future by Peter Thiel with Blake Masters. Yay, book haul. Support Pixie. Bili kayo, check out din kayo sa kanya.